So my name is Dr. Chris North. I'm a professor here in the computer science department at Virginia Tech. My research area is in the area of human-computer interaction, and particularly visualization and large screen displays. So the main research that I'm doing these days is with the gigapixel display. And so this is, the major question here is musing about what the future user interface will look like for people. And I think one of the important components of the future interface will be very large, high-resolution displays, ubiquitous display. Imagine the future where we have pixel paint, and all the offices, all the walls of your office or dorm room are coated in display. Questions then are, well, gee, how will you use that space? What will you display on it? How will you interact with it? Clearly, in situations like that, the mouse may not be the best way to interact with such display spaces. What new interaction techniques can we develop to enable you to point to any number of a billion pixels? How can we use that kind of space to do visualization and enable people to explore their data? Well, one of my favorite things about coming to work every day is working with students. Students are the future. Students are fun to work with. I think I always have the feeling that undergraduates are at the peak of their humor level in life. And so I think I always have a good time working with the undergraduates. And I think I also really enjoy working with my graduate students, where we're really getting into the hardcore research and solving problems of the future. Other special things about our department, particularly if you're interested in human-computer interaction, which is the area I work in, we have some pretty unique facilities here at Virginia Tech. For example, the gigapixel display. Also, in the other areas of computer science, we have some special facilities such as System 10 and other kinds of specialized computing hardware that are unique amongst in the world, and special things that you can work on that you won't find anywhere else. A very nice program we have here in the computer science department at Virginia Tech is called VTERX, Virginia Tech Undergraduate Research in Computer Science. This is a great program that undergraduates can get involved in, where you plug in with a particular faculty member in the department and also with their graduate students, and you get to work on all the cool research that we're doing here in the department. And you can do this as course credit, so it will count towards your graduation requirements. I think this is the best thing you can do here at Virginia Tech, is get involved in undergraduate research, because you work on open-ended problems, and so you're not just doing these cookie cutter type projects as you might see in class, but you're working on problems that are open-ended and for which you have to figure out what the best solution is.